Here guys, another lily collection. Orange, yellow, and burgundy. Another lily collection. It will grow back again next year. Are you sure next year? And here also.
I did all this.
Hindi pa nagbulak, hindi pa nag-flower. That one. And that one as well. See? Lily, 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 Lily. My Lily collection and my ruby collection. I'm very proud of my garden. There's the ano ba yan siya? Yung ano ba yan siya? Rose start to bloom now. Ang aking roses. Ang aking roses. And then this one of my friend at work give this to me. Hey, hey Don, thank you very much.